I am here in Bambang, a municipality of Pangasinan, here in Philippines, to show you the Saint Vincent de Ferrer statue, recognized by Guinness World Records as the tallest bamboo sculpture in the world. Bambang is a first-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines. Bambang was founded in the early 16th century by an Aita tribe known as Agalat. During the Spanish conquest, Bambang became a center of colonial exploitation. Later, Bambang became the first pilot town in the Far East for the famed UNESCO National Community Training Center, making Bambang an educational show window in the Philippines and in the Far East. Today, Bambang remains not just the corn belt of Pangasinan and the onion capital of Pangasinan, but also a bustling university town. The town of Bambang in 2014 became known for setting the world record for the longest fish barbecue as part of the town's 400th founding anniversary celebrations. After that, Bambang take initiative to construct the Saint Vincent Ferrer statue. It is a colossal bamboo statue in the town of Bambang. It is dedicated to the town's Catholic patron, Saint Vincent Ferrer, and is recognized by the Guinness World Records as the tallest bamboo sculpture in the world. The structure is made from bamboo supported by a steel frame structure in its interior. In particular, 60 tons of engineered bamboo were imported from China and 600 tons of steel were used to build the statue. The statue is supported by a 7.5 meters deep foundation which devised 768.99 cubic meters of 6000 psi cement. The structure is designed to be able to withstand a typhoon. The idea of constructing the statue is credited by the town's mayor Cesar Quiambao to his wife Mary Claire Quiambao, who learned online of a bamboo structure about 30 meters high being constructed in Myanmar. An adjudication was held in the morning of April 5, 2019 to determine the actual height of the statue by Guinness World Records and confirm its world record claim. The whole prayer park was inaugurated and opened to the public at night of the same day, where the Saint Vincent Ferrer statue was declared as the world's tallest bamboo statue. The official height of 50.23 meters was confirmed by Guinness World Records by Swapnil Dangarigar, an adjudicator from India. This value includes the statue and its base, The statue figure is 42 meter without its base.
This is actually unique because it's the first time that somebody is attempting to break or create a record for the tallest bamboo sculpture. And I've checked, it's all bamboo. After going through all the guidelines, I'm very happy to say that you have broken the record and this is the world's tallest bamboo sculpture.
Record of tallest bamboo sculpture in the world reported by Guinness World Records website. Bayambang first world record, longest fish barbecue, reported by Guinness World Record website. See, in this video, there is a lesson for us that normal people like us also can achieve bigger goals in our life. Thank you, people of Bayambang, for your inspiration to us.
Welcome to Bayambang.